Let's talk about non-surgical facial rejuvenation. One of the benefits of coming to see me at Avabello is that you're sitting with a board-certified plastic surgeon that understands the full spectrum of aesthetic treatments. Whether it's something minor, like a small injectable treatment, something more invasive like a laser treatment, or something fully invasive like a facial plastic surgery procedure, you're getting an expert that understands all the treatment options out there and can customize your plan to your needs. Injectables are a fantastic treatment for most patients, but at some point they may not be enough for you. As we age, we lose collagen, we lose volume in our face, and gravity begins to take over. At some point, injectable treatments will not be able to reverse these changes, and we need to talk about other options. These might include things like laser treatments, non-surgical skin tightening, or even a facial plastic surgery procedure. Being in the hands of a board-certified plastic surgeon means you get an expert that understands all of these treatments and can offer you the right treatment plan for you and your anatomy. There is a lot of hype out there about all the treatments that can possibly be used to rejuvenate the face. One thing that you need to consider is that someone that has purchased that device now has to pay for that device and is motivated to use it. What you want to do when you're considering facial rejuvenation is make sure that you ask the right questions and that you sit with an expert that can understand your anatomy, break it down for you, and come up with a plan that's going to work. At Avabello, we use all science and no hype to come up with an idealized plan for each individual patient. Non-surgical facial rejuvenation is a very broad-based term, but essentially it entails any type of treatment that's going to improve your facial aesthetics without going under the knife. As a board-certified plastic surgeon, I've been trained in all of the classic and conventional techniques to improve the face. Things like facelift, neck lift, eyelid surgery, and those types of things. But part of why I started Avabello is because I had a lot of patients that just weren't ready for that step. They either didn't have the downtime to commit, perhaps it wasn't financially feasible for them, and so we put together a slate of procedures that we can offer here that can still improve your look and enhance your appearance without requiring surgery. One of the trickier questions for me to answer is how long do the results last? That really depends on the patient and the type of treatment that's being performed. Generally speaking, the less invasive, less expensive procedures are going to be procedures that need to be performed more frequently. Whereas procedures that are more invasive and involve more downtime oftentimes are going to last many months or even years. The beauty of non-surgical facial rejuvenation is that the downtime can be customized to your needs and your lifestyle. If you come to see me and tell me that you only have 3 days, we can craft a plan that will get you back out there in 3 days. If you have more time to spend, obviously we can craft a more aggressive plan to affect bigger changes of your face. Aging is a marathon. The changes that you see when you look in the mirror didn't happen overnight, and they're probably not going to be fixed overnight as well. When you come to see us at Avabello, we craft a long-term plan for you, and we will thoroughly explain to you what the downtime and costs of the procedure are going to be so that you can be prepared for every step along the way. We'll help you with short-term improvements that will make you feel good almost instantly, but also side by side, we'll put together a more long-term plan that's going to sustain your results and help prepare you for the long run of aging. A comprehensive plan with a board-certified plastic surgeon always beats random treatments with an inexperienced provider.